Howdy, this is Lemmy with Dorman Products, here to talk to you today about our line of appliques. You may be familiar with these under a variety of names: B-pillar trim, sail panel trim, or garnish pieces. Or rose by any other name, right? Whatever you call them, these are must-have pieces for a few reasons. The first is vehicle appearance. Look, we're not all driving spotless, garage-pampered road jewels, but even the most beat-up car looks like hell when one of these panels is missing, exposing a portion of the vehicle that was never meant to be seen after it left the assembly line. Another reason? The install on these is easy across the board. It's a low-effort, high-return installation. And to make matters simple, every one of our appliques is offered in gloss black, which matches the one on your vehicle regardless of your paint code. Installation is a snap, literally. Depending on your vehicle, these may install with snaps, adhesive strips, which are included in many cases, standard automotive fasteners, or some combination thereof. Speaking of installs, you can rest assured the fit will be spot on too, because we've performed try-ons fitting these parts to vehicles to make sure they install and look just like OEM. We hope you're as excited as we are about this solution to rejuvenating your car's looks. And remember, if you need anything at all, the Dorman Technical Support Team is always handy to help. Thanks for checking out our video on appliques. I'm Lem. I'm out of here.